Hey, this is an old video I found that I figured would be worth sharing since there's not a lot of videos out there covering this. I recorded it to show my friends how awesome my old M2 steering wheel is. The steering wheel was a BMW M Performance Alcantara wheel with race display, which it's a mouthful to say, but it's a factory option, but it costs a lot. It's one of those things I believe they install at the port if you order your car. But anyway, the cool thing about it has a little display at the top that shows you water and oil temperature, which I don't believe you can get the M2 or the 2 Series cars to show. And it also has F1 style shift lights, which is the main reason why I made this video at night. There aren't a lot of videos out there of it in action, so here's my contribution. Enjoy.